A very common question people ask is, why is the fix light on my machine? We're working with the Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2, and I want to explain what fix actually means. And once you get to using it, and I had to myself, it's sometimes hard to explain until you actually have to use it or have to make yourself use it. So I do encourage you to do that. I love decorative stitches, so I'm always wanting to have some locking stitches at the beginning when I start and at the end when I finish. Now you do notice that we have actually just finished this stitch. We used the thread cutter, the thread is cut, and the light comes on. So that means that when I start sewing, you're going to see the needle kind of going up and down as it does the beginning lock of whatever stitch I'm on. So here it goes. We'll do that little lock, 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 and then it starts the decorative stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and just stitch, and I'm going to show you that the fix button can be used in two different ways. If you are sewing and you touch it while you're in motion, you're going to get one action. And if you push it now while you're not sewing, you're going to get something else. So I'm just in the middle of a decorative stitch. I'm not done with it. I'm just kind of stopped. So if I push the fix button, I'm going to get locking stitches in the middle of that stitch. Lock, 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 and then it takes off. Well, that didn't make any sense. That's not where you wanted those stitches to be. If you touch the fix button while you're sewing, you're going to get an immediate locking stitch, and then it's going to stop sewing, meaning my foot is still on the foot control. Then you can actually cut the thread, but knowing that it has been locked at the end of wherever you pushed it at that point. Now, if you want to have the fix button and a thread cut all at once, let me show you this little trick. So even though we're talking about the fix button, the coolest part is when you're sewing a row of decorative stitches and you want it to sew to the end of the pattern, if you touch the thread cutter button while you're sewing, it will finish the pattern, lock it with the fix option, cut it, and lift. So see how it perfectly finished that row of stitches right to the end. Don't have half of a stitch left off. That is usually what I will use. Again, you have to touch the thread cutter button while you're sewing.